everybody! Good morning sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year! This is going to be our very first vlog for this year. So today is January 6, 2023 and it's currently around 10:30 in the morning. So right now, I'm about to cook our lunch and I'm going to make roast beef in the NutriCook air fryer 12 liters. So I haven't done this before. This is going to be my very first time cooking roast beef and I have all the ingredients right here. So I have here topside beef rump. Yan. Yan siya. Na-defrost ko na siya for 30 minutes. Kaya ganyan na yung itsura niya. I have parsley here. Potatoes. And I still have yet to peel all of this. And garlic, onions, and oil. I'm using Spanish oil. For today, I supposed to use olive oil, but we ran out of. I'm gonna cook the roast beef in this NutriCook 12 liters air fryer. So this is the thing. Let's see kung hanggang saan ang kaya maluto ng NutriCook na ito. It's also my very first time doing roast beef in this thing. So let's hope for best results. And yeah, we're gonna do some experimentation today. So I also have my herbs here. Today we're going to use salt, pepper, and fine herbs. This is what I have. So yeah, para magkalasa ang ating beef. And let's start on cutting the veggies. Nga pala guys, I was told to use this for roasting beef. I'm not sure how to use this one really. So I might leave it aside because I don't have any idea how to use this. So, dito ko muna sa gilid. I almost forgot. We have to preheat the air fryer oven. Ayan. Preheat muna natin. So, ngayon, nakasalang na yung beef. Let's wait for 30 minutes. High heat of 200 degrees Celsius para maluto yung meat natin. And in between those times, I have to baste the beef para hindi masyado mag-dry and masunog. And I have to splash a little bit of water in the veggies para hindi rin sila masunog. So, kung makikita nyo guys, meron din ako nakasetup na cam is because I'm doing shorts here in YouTube as well. I've been uploading non-stop, like everyday upload talaga. And also in my TikTok, I'm going to link the page of my TikTok account in the description box. So please don't forget to follow and like my videos and support me on my TikTok account and here in YouTube as well, in my shorts and in my YouTube videos. And ayun, this year is just going to be a productive year when it comes on creating content. That's one of the goals that I set this year. I love sharing my recipes. I love cooking, and this is what I do most of the time. So why not share it to all of you guys who watch my videos here in my channel. Yun. I'll be back to you guys pag naluto ng ating beef. Garnish, chopped parsley. I put another 15 minutes para truly maluto yung meat natin tsaka yung mga veggies. Binalik-baliktad ko sila para maluto lahat ng parts. Kaya ayun, let's wait for another 15 minutes para maluto ang ating roast beef. I'm so excited. It's doing good so far. Tapos na siya. Let's check. Nga pala, tinanggal ko na yung mga potatoes kasi baka masunog since luto naman na silang lahat. So, this is how it looks like. Looks good. Looks yum. Okay guys, so naglagay ako ng aluminum foil on top for the resting. Let it rest for 5 minutes and then we can cut it after.
Walk often fight me.
Alright guys, tapos na ang ating roast beef. This is what it looks like. You see? It looks so yummy. And ayun, for the moment of truth, hatiin na natin, tignan natin kung naluto yung loob. So, I'm going to transfer this. Napares ko na rin siya ng 5 minutes, so it's okay. It's a perfect medium well steak, and yeah, I'm happy with the results. As you can see, you still have the redness inside, so it's still juicy and still soft, tender. So, ayun, kainan na. Gutom na ako.
It's kind of like tiny bit spicy because of the fermentation.